Ready to ditch the laptop and blog straight from your phone? First, download the Wix Owner App from your App Store and log in or sign up. If you have multiple Wix sites, make sure you've selected the one you want to blog on. You'll see it on the top middle of your screen. Tap the Manage icon at the bottom of your screen. It usually looks like a little building with cogs and wheels. In the Manage section, find and tap on Blog. This will take you to your blog dashboard. To create a new post, tap the plus icon, then select Create a Post. Now comes the fun part. Add a catchy title. Write your engaging content and spice it up with images or videos directly from your phone's gallery. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, tap Publish. You'll see options to publish immediately, schedule for later, or save as a draft. You can also adjust SEO settings here. You can also manage comments and interact with your readers directly from the blog section of the Manage menu. Answer questions, respond to feedback, and build your community. And that's it. Blogging has never been easier with Wix on your phone. You can create and manage your blog from anywhere, anytime. Happy blogging!